Hey guys, I'm out here again fishing at the creek. I brought my cane pole. In case you don't know what it is, it's just a cane pole. It just extends. And I just caught a creek chub. And for y'all out there who knows who Fetty Wap is, he's a rapper that has one eye. And this creek chub has one eye. It's very weird. I'm guessing someone caught him before, or another fish, or something happened, ran into a rock, but there we go. I caught quite a bit of them. I caught a huge one on a spinner earlier. I didn't get to get that on video. I didn't know if I had enough storage on my phone, but let's see if we can get another one for y'all. Oh, I had a hit. Oh, there's another one. Same thing today, I'm using a little worm. Wow. I think it's a sunfish. You know what? It's a bluegill, it looks like. Maybe a green sunfish. Kind of hard to tell with the green sunfish because it's still got that distinctive blue color on their gills, but kind of have the mouth of a bass wider, and then it has sunfish colors. Pretty good size. Took it pretty good. I didn't know those were in here. So there's that. Now I mentioned in the last video that I was wanting to do the NTB Slam, but I don't know where to get one. I've looked them up and I have no idea. 1 second. Okay, I went to get my catfish rod, but I put a little spinner on it for the creek. Colors on it's pretty good. Little treble hook, grass skirt, and I caught a pretty good sized chub earlier, so see if I can catch another one. It's hard to cast it because I use this as a weight, but the rod's too heavy for it, so I had to improvise a little bit. You know, pretty sure every fisherman's been out there improvising before. Oh, had a smallie. They just don't seem to bite right now on this, but switch over back to the worm, put it on. I'm wasting video, so I'll get back when I have the worm. Okay guys, I put the worm on just like that. Make sure it's behind the barb so it don't come off as easy. And use my cane pole again. Seem to have pretty good luck on that, so. I think I got a little sunfish. Well, no, I think it's actually a little green, no, maybe bluegill. I have no clue. Green sunfish, bluegill are difficult to describe to me. But there he is. Not too fancy. Sorry, the stick was in the way. I didn't know. But there he is. If you know which one it is, green sunfish or bluegill, please tell me. These fish are really healthy in here. Alright, let's get it out there again.